Hello everybody, Biker Toth here with another kind of quick tip. Saw a lot of confusion on a forum regarding your brake lever light switch, and as you know, I've been struggling with that quite a bit. Finally got it figured out, so I'm going to kind of tell you what to do here, and hopefully this will help somebody out. So you have your brake light housing right here. The brake light switch is over on this side for the front. Now, to actually get this done, what you're going to need is you're going to need a star bit for these two, and also a star bit for this one up here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to undo all of these, loosen them but not remove them completely. You're going to want to remove the handle, and there's a 10mm nut underneath that. Loosen that first, and then this will actually unscrew as well. You may also need pliers to actually pull it out the rest of the way, because sometimes it doesn't like to give too easy. What you want to do is you want to slide this as close as you can. Tighten this top one down first, all the way, which unlike the forums which said don't over tighten it, tighten it down as much as you can over here. That way you can lock that tab into place, because there's a tab right behind here. Then after that, you want to go ahead to screw your bolt down, or screw your clamp down as tightly as possible. There are two bolts right there, as you can see. Those two right there, you want to go ahead and you want to bolt clamp. And then after that, once that's all said and done, I like to actually reach in there, touch the brake light switch, make sure that it's not sticking or anything like that, make sure you don't have a problem there. As soon as that is done, you want to go ahead, put the brake lever back in, screw that back in, and then put the nut back on, and you should be good to go. Now, occasionally it will still stick regardless, but that is if you're just repeatedly hitting it. If you're not, you should be fine in terms of being able to safely brake without people thinking that your brake lights are off or just on, or people not seeing that you're braking and slowing down and getting rear-ended.